If you're a grade 11 life sciences learner, make sure that you can answer these questions in preparation for your Term 3 test. Note that these questions come from the Eastern Cape November Paper 1 exam, and they are based on gaseous exchange. So we are given a diagram that represents a part of the human respiratory system. So before we answer the questions, let's see if we can label the parts of this diagram. So label A is pointing to the trachea. Label B is pointing to the bronchi or bronchus. Label C is pointing to a rib. Label D is pointing to a branch or a cluster of alveoli. Label E is pointing to the pleural membrane. Label F is pointing to the bronchiole. And label G is pointing to the larynx. Now that we've labeled the parts of this diagram, let's answer the questions. So pause the video, work your way through the questions, and then we'll go through the answers. So question 1.5.1 asks you to supply a suitable label for the following structures. So label B is the bronchus. Label C is the rib. 1.5.2 says, explain 2 visible reasons why the above structure could be considered an effective gaseous exchange surface. Now I want you to screenshot this question because this is a very popular exam question. So the way we answer this question is, number 1, we state what we see, and then we explain why that feature allows gaseous exchange to take place. So feature number 1, the gaseous exchange surface is well protected. How do we know this? It is surrounded by ribs and intercostal muscles that protect the lungs from mechanical damage. We've given the physical feature or the visible feature, and we've explained why this allows for gaseous exchange. Feature number 2, there is a large surface area. The many alveoli are present, and this increases the surface area for gaseous exchange to take place. Pardon me. Feature number 3, the gaseous exchange surface is moist. This is because alveoli are lined with a mucus layer. And finally, the gaseous exchange surface is thin. This means that the alveoli are 1 cell layer thick. Question 1.5.3, give the letter and name of the structure that A, contains cartilaginous cords which vibrate for sound production. So we know that that is going to be the larynx, and the larynx is represented by letter G. Part B contains C-shaped cartilaginous rings, so that is going to be A, the trachea. So for this question, make sure that you mention both the letter and the name. I have personally seen lots of learners either only write the name or only write the letter and end up getting 1 out of 2 marks. So count how many of the questions you got right, give yourself a mark out of 10, and then comment down below how many of the questions you got right. Remember to like the video, comment, follow the channel in order to get more videos like this. Thank you.